Yo, yo, yo. I just want to make sure things are looking okay. And things are looking okay. All right. Let me bump my mic up a little bit more. Okay. And then the Maple Store music can go down. And then yeah, we'll start by getting things fired up on the machine here and kind of go over some of the stuff I did in my time off when I was just doing off stream stuff, and then yeah, I can go over the agenda for today and we can see where the day takes us. So let's open up Visual Studio Code. Bot person punishments. We won't need the punishments today. Today's just a normal stream unless someone pays to spin the wheel, but we'll see where the day takes us. So close out of that. Looks like some extensions got updated. Cool. We'll need Docker as well. Let me just make sure I'm not printing out stuff I don't want printed out. Cool. Let me make sure I have, where's the, I thought I had an spin the wheel. No, today is just a normal stream unless someone pays to spin the wheel. Because I mean, if someone pays, you're lurking. Well, hello, welcome to the lurk. Yeah, let's get things fired up. Docker. Yeah, we'll get things fired up and then we will, yeah, I'll show some of the stuff I worked on off stream, and then yeah, we'll I'll talk about some of the stuff I wanted to get done today, and yeah, go from there. So there's the local database, and then yeah, so oh, I need to fire things up. So I did I'm looking for Joseph. Joseph who? Joe? Oh, Joe Mama. Okay, what do I need to fire this up? Bun run dev. Cool, that's there. I did here in the back end, I got the database connection figured out here, so I am able to get the user data from the from bot person itself onto the back end for the application, and that allows things to yeah, do stuff with things there, because then with that, like, I can get how many tokens a user has, and with how many tokens a user has, then they could spend them elsewhere instead of asking for images. So that opens up some possibilities there. We'll I don't know, we'll see where that leads us. Might lead us somewhere, who knows. Bun run dev. Okay, so I have the dev server started up, and then yeah, so can we call bot person racker person? I feel like that's for racker to co-sign on. I mean, I've already given bot person racker's likeness, but the rename, I don't know. Okay, so here, go through the whole login process, got that sorted out, and then just wait a gosh darn second. Why isn't that, that's not ng, it's bun run dev. Why is that not showing up? Auth. This when does Skynup, you know, he's almost there. He has everybody, well, he has certain people locked into the whole token race, so it's we're Skynet Rackerbot is going after the monetary system, and then he's gonna slowly pick away at everything else. So, yeah. Okay, why isn't... Where am I? This is master? What? Let's just stash this. Oh, I think I put it on a separate branch. What was that branch named? And then bot person front end. Also, since I'm basically sharing this all, let me make these repositories public. Change to public. Yes, I want to make it public. Yeah. Make it public. Ah, shit. I need my keys so I can do this. All right. Got the keys. I'm sorry if that was loud. I apologize. I'm still getting used to this mic. Okay. Here, use security key. I want to use the security key. Cool. Now that is public. And then let's do the same with where's the backend? Bot person backend, because I mean, it's basically all public already. So even including the API keys that I mistakenly showed. Yay. We love showing API keys when we shouldn't. That's just my favorite thing to do. It's just so much fun because, you know, I love it when people use my API keys. It's just so great. Okay, so those are now public. Where was I initially? Oh yeah, I wanted to see what branch I put that stuff on. So here, branch. It's one of those two. When was the last commits here? 2 commits ahead. 25th. Is this it? Ah! Oh. Okay. Let's break out the wheel. Okay, so it's some of the things as last time, but we'll go through the list and yeah. They all have an equal chance of happening. So first I reboot the computer because I'm using my MacBook to stream it instead of or my gaming PC to stream it, and then my MacBook to do all the work. I will dab on my bad code, take a shot. That's a crowd favorite right there. I wrote a script that will randomly kill my IDE. This thing I work in, it'll just sometime in the next half hour to an hour just kill it. So right out from under me. Typing with one hand. Do the whole sheesh thing, the TikTok trend, which I absolutely hate. Random scare noise. It's same thing. I wrote a script. It will just randomly play a scare noise. Well, I gotta open up the punishments now. Open this up and punishments. The two noises are there's that, and then there's the random scream. Those will just play randomly within the span of 5 to 10 minutes. Probably should bump it up to like 10 to 30, so it's a little bit more random. So there's that. Back to the here. Tell a dad joke. No punishment. You know, there's a chance that things go simply. Eat something spicy. I have some Frank's or Frank's? Yeah, Frank's Red Hot. I have some of that in my cupboard. Handwrite the code. Roll a d20 and do the squats. Flashbang. put my IDE here into light mode, which is awful. You'll just see a flash of white in my face, kind of like that. The Dairy Queen option? No, that's torture. That's not a punishment. That's torture. That equals no stream because dairy hurts me. Accessibility keyboard, which is an on-screen keyboard, so we're going to be using that to type. Make the font inconveniently big. And then there's random calculator, which is it'll just randomly open the calculator for how long is it? For 5 minutes. It'll open the calculator at 10% of the time. So it'll open it like 30 something times, and it'll be that's actually one of the worst ones. But I guess arguably worse than that is double it and go again, because that could lead to something bad. Random backspace. We'll have to write that script if we land on it, and then code in Notepad, which is a crowd favorite, which is awful. So those are the punishments, and since someone paid to spin the wheel, I have to oblige. So let's see where we go. Oh. This one's awful. Okay, so for 5 minutes I will have to code in Notepad. So let's close out of this. Once I actually do start coding, where is it? Where's my, I thought I had the folder here. Whatever, users, me, there. I want to have this on the sidebar. Okay, so bot person front end. Oh, yeah, so let's first figure out, let me first show what I was doing before, and then once I start getting into stuff, because I have some ideas. I demand another wheel spin. That's no fun. But I mean, we'll see what it lands on. We'll see what it lands on. Oh no. Okay, so we'll leave this up to a vote. We'll leave it up to vote. So, do we want to do the Notepad or do we want to do the squats? Squats? Oh boy. Roll a d20. Both isn't fun. Okay, let's see if Perplexity will do this, or if it even knows how to. 14 oh. Okay, so everybody gets to critique my form now. Both is the funnest option. Both is... I'm not a fan of that whole both thing, so... Okay. So, 20 body weight squats, so it's what? Down, and then up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh no, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy shit. Ugh. If it doesn't look like Priest twerking, it doesn't count. Is twerking even allowed on YouTube? I don't know. I know it's allowed on Twitch, because Twitch allows fucking anything now. But there's the squats. And my watch is like, are you doing a workout? Wes wanted your burn to face the camera? No. Yeah, the Coomers is not the audience I'm going for here. So I'm slightly out of breath, which is Sad. Just shows how grossly out of shape I am. But hey, I'll be walking like 10 miles a day next week, so there we go. Okay, what fucking branch was I on? Was it this branch? It was this branch. It was PYL game. Get CO PYL. Bun run dev. Nope, not ChatGPT. Here it is. Cool. So this is the start of We Are 5. Yes, the penis of it all. Here's where I was at with the card game I want to work into Bot Person. I mean, right now it's just kind of working on the whole hand and play area kind of thing. I need to figure out how to center this so the user can see their cards, and then because this is basically this shared component, this is the opponent's hand. I mean, theoretically it could be used to like cheat and whatnot, but because I believe if you inspect it, you can see you can see what's there. But I mean, that seems like, so I might need to change some things up there so like it doesn't render the name and everything in there, and instead of just setting the background to black. But I mean, it's a start. It's a very clearly a work in progress, and yeah, I'll probably continue working on this a little bit more off stream, because I don't know, there's still a whole lot of stuff I want to flesh out. I think the learning, to be able to get this all to work together, we're going to need to figure out WebSockets, and I think that's something that I'll bring on stream, because I mean, I know nothing about WebSockets, and we'll need to you know, figure that out if we're going to make this a real-time game. All right, so what the penis thoughts? What? I feel like you have something on the brain. Goddamn. Okay, so that's where I left off with this. Yeah, so I mean, it's still very much a work in progress, but some progress is being made, and you know, the whole login thing, which I figured out a while ago, but it's yeah, it's coming along. So for today, for the actual development of it all, I'm not gonna hit my mic. I'm gonna break out my notebook, and I think today I want to work on the 11 Labs integration. So basically just have the TTS bot, but make it I don't know, just a better voice. So last time on Bot Person development, let's do, let me just make sure things are all closed. There's that. Okay, here, do I have 11 Labs? I thought I had the join and leave. Let's check the messages and see. Yeah, here. Commands TTS and commands leave. So, let's fire this bad boy up. Go run. Command, what is it? Bot person main -- dev. Okay, so this is the, I know this is logging out the database information, but I mean, it's just a local server, so I don't really care that much. I know there was one occurrence where, you know, I just had like the prod database connection there, but I think that actually doesn't matter because I don't have the ports opened publicly, but I'm not going to tempt fate. That's why I have those VODs hidden. They are super. Nobody can see them anymore. So there's the bot there. Let's fire up Discord. Let me make sure I'm not putting DMs on blast. Let me open up Discord. Ah, yes, Bill showing me his penis. Yes, it is possible to theoretically make bot person sound like Racker. We just need a voice clip of Racker. I don't know how long it. We'll take a look at it. It's 11 labs, and we'll take a look at how long we need to have it be. So there. Okay, this is Discord. Bot is now running, so I'm in here. Cool. /join. There's dev bot person, and then /leave. Okay, we have bot coming in, we have bot going. Now let's start taking a look at 11 labs and see what's going on there. So docs and resources, documentation. So API, let's see what it would first take to train voices. So voices, add a generative or cloned voice, instant voice cloning. So I think it is possible. I just need to be starter plus. What is that? So okay, so I mean, since it'd be used as TTS bot, it would be probably need the creator plan. So $22 a month. We'll circle back to it if we're able to get Racker to record some voice for us. But yeah, voices. What is it? Sample should contain one speaker and be over a minute long and not contain background noise. That's what we need for TTS Racker. So I will leave it to the powers that be. So okay, so the request here in Golang. So let's just copy this and then we'll go from there. So external, new file, 11labs.go. So func. Okay, so string reader. Let's get things sorted out first. Voice ID. Oh yeah, it'll pre-populate this. So let me just hide this screen again because I have a voice ID in my notes, but I'm not sure what else my notes have. So there, and then boom, we're back. Put the voice ID there, query, cool, whatever. Then the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Cool. Model ID, don't need to worry about that. And then I think it's 0.5 and 0.5 for both of these. 0.5 and then 0.5. Because the only reason I say it's 0.5 is I looked at the example down here and it's has the same stuff. So okay, this will have the things pre-filled for like the similarity and all that. So boom. Func, we will need strings. Oh, it also wants the package first. So package external, and then now it's going to start complaining. Strings, HTTP, IOUtil, and then it's going to print out the response. And cool, that's what we want. So the text, and then what about the API key? Because we'll need to put that in, but so header.add. Cool. So there, and then what is it? What did I call it? I need to import util. Get 11 labs key. Cool. Yeah, and then what is it? This is complaining. Yeah, it's deprecated. That's a future us problem. So I think let's test this first, see what we get back, and then yeah, we can always circle back to it. So let's just hook into the join and leave that we had previously. 11 labs on join. We'll need to restart this mofo, have it register the commands, because again, this is the slow part. This Discord rate limits you. Thanks, Discord. And then yeah, then we should be able to see if we can at least get the response, and then if we're able to get the response, which I believe that we will be able to, we can then worry about getting, well, let's ask ChatGPT now how to stream a file to a Discord, to a voice channel in Discord via Discord Go. Can't type and talk at the same time. Because yeah, as I said last time, I think the way that this is going to have to work, similar to the images, is we're going to have to pull back the response, save it locally on the machine, and then use that to stream out to whatever it may be. So it's I think well, number one, it allows to make sure we don't lose the connection via the API, and then it's also going to lose the connection to the file that is going to be created from calling the API, and then it just makes it easier to stream it from there, because Discord is kind of particular with how it handles. Oh, is it new stream and code, blah 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 blah, session, channel ID, and file name? Is it really that simple? Because if it's that simple, let's find user voice state. Let's copy that, and then we'll put this in 11 labs here, and then we'll just comment it out. Okay, so bot is now running. Let's see, well, one, if it works, and then we can worry about /join. Cool. That looks like a file to me. That looks like a file to me. Did it save it to the disk? Oh, no, it didn't save it. It just reads it from the response. Let's look at Dolly to see how I save things to disk. io.copy file response body. Oh, okay. So let's just start copying things here. Go to 11 labs. We'll need io, resp, os create, add, path. Where is path created in Dolly? Path. Oh, join image, blah, 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 blah. Cool. Let path be there, file path. We won't need to worry about truncation. We could probably just save it as 11. Perfect. Thanks, Copilot. Res. It's res. Rest.body. Cool. Discord, we don't need that. There, file info. What do we need to import here? Oh, we just don't use it. File info. There, then just cool. Okay, so let's give that a try. It looks like the file's there, because I mean, that's what this whole bunch of gibberish is. It's trying to make a string of characters out of an audio file, and it's not that simple. So I mean, this looks like the proper response, and it looks like it was quick too. So I think, yeah, I think that should be, I think it should be a lot simpler than I would think. So Discord go, cool. DCA, what's DCA? What's DCA, Discord? Or OpenAI? Or ChatGPT? God! DCA. The audio should be a DCA format. You can convert the audio using... What the fuck is a DCA format? Fucking what? Okay, huh? Seems like ChatGPT. It seems like ChatGPT is fucking smoking crack. This package implements a decoder encoder to help streamer for DCA V0 and V1. What? DCA new encoder. Cool. I'm gonna give it a try, because I mean, it seems too simple to work. What is it complaining about? 11 Labs IOutil is no longer used. Cool. That's why we're not doing the wheel today, because I want to just get this done. So let's see if it saves the file. I believe it should. And then after it saves the file, we can worry about converting it to a DCA and then send it through Discord. Okay, I should probably look at further at what it thinks it's gonna do. Find voice status, play sound. So it joins the channel, it defers the disconnect, as it should. DCA new stream. That's how it does it? Wes wants to know I'm not coding in Notepad. I thought we agreed that the squats were in lieu of the Notepad. I thought this was an agreed upon thing. The person who paid for the wheel spin said squats, so I did squats. All 14 of them. Okay, /join. Cool. Oh, that's it. I was listening to the person who paid for this spin in the first place. I feel like there's been some kind of disconnect there. Okay, what is it complaining about? "11 lives ago, 36. 30. Huh? Oh, JPG. What is the return type of the file? Wes is raging. I mean, if he wants to see it so bad, there's an easy way to make sure it yeah. Let me check on my other monitor. It's from @Battledory. Yeah, I feel like oh god, who uses Cash App? I didn't know people use Cash App. MP3. Could not. So the error was here in 36 with creating. Oh, that's the bot finally timing out. I'm like, what are these Discord noises? Okay. I mean, I listened to where the money came from. I'm not privy to any exchanges that happen outside of Buy Me a Coffee. Yeah, I just listen. Semantics? I mean, I feel like, I mean, that allows for a lot of loopholes to be made. Like, I didn't buy the drugs. I Cash App my friend the money, and you know, they just showed up. I mean, so be it. I mean, I listen to where the money comes from, like everybody else in the world. /join. Then here's it pooping out. No such file or directory. How do I handle that? How do I handle that in the first place? Prompt, cool, file, unmarshal response. Open, I need to have a response object. What does that response object look like? Here, what does that response object look like? This response does not have an example. Thank you. That is so helpful. Thank you. I to get to the details of using /stream. Oh, what does /stream do? Output format. Output of the format of the generated audio must be one of blah 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 blah. Cool. Requires you to be subscribed to Pro tier or above. Okay. Streaming latency default 0. I still don't know what the what response it should be handling. Let's ask our friend here. Using the 11 API audio stream API, how do I have it play that response in Discord. Let's see. 11 Labs API. Cool. You need to be using the key. I know. I have a key. A key. Modify your Discord bot. That's what we're trying to do. Cool. Message create. Exclamation mark. Sure. Play 11 Labs. That's what it's doing. Okay. Does it use the query params for the message? I thought it was in the response body. Or the request body. Close others. Yeah, it's in the request body. Interesting. You know what? As the kids say, fuck it, we ball. Let's just paste this in here and see what happens. Yeah, there's the do request. Close. Defer the close. There. Let's do that. There's the defer close. And then I guess we just paste everything else in there. There's no way it's that simple. VC. Oh, I need the request parameters. Or the function parameters. There. And then error. Rest body close. Yep. S. VC. Where is VC? Oh, we need the channel it's connected in. How are we gonna get that? Well, I think we could get it from where the messages are sent. VC. Nope, I don't want 1Password. Thank you though. New stream encode session VC done. What is VC? Let's start with that. VC is the channel connection itself. Okay. I think we can work with that. Oh, with the variables. The session. So we need S. The channel ID, m.channel ID. And then just empty string for now, because we just have it hard coded in there. Command TTS. How do we leave? Connections. Okay. Guild.id. Okay. So a voice channel is the channel connection itself. So let's try guild ID. If I could spell, right? String channel ID. String guild ID. Connections. I think that does it. So here's being called m.guild ID, and then blah blah blah. Let's give that a try. So I guess the way we have it right now is like it's gonna load the user. Oh, maybe I could have this return the connection. Then how are we gonna manage that connection? I guess that's one of the issues. Cause like I guess it's on per user, but or no, we could put it in a map. We could put it in a map with the channel ID. So we have the channel ID and the connection itself, and then we can check whenever the messages are in that specific channel ID. We can just pull out that'll work. That'll work. Discord Go session voice connections. Cool. Okay, yeah. Well, so here, PC, blah, 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 blah. PC. Then this does start Discord Go dot voice connection. Return nil, return nil. PC. Cool. Okay. We'll try that after we have the bot say something to us. So /join. FFmpeg not found in path. Oh. I don't have FFmpeg. Do I have homebrew? I don't have homebrew. Oh, we're gonna be installing a bunch of stuff today. Homebrew. Or it's brew.sh. Yeah, here we go. Homebrew, copy that. There we go. Type in my password. And then return or enter or any other key to abort. Send it. Yeah. So this is, I guess, more stuff I should have had set up beforehand. But I guess we'll oh, what? Installation successful. Run that. There we go. Brew install FFmpeg. There. FFmpeg needs all that shit? God damn. Okay. I mean, who am I to complain? It knows what's best, but god damn. A lot of that seems unnecessary to me, but what the fuck do I know? God damn. Is the computer even getting hot? The computer's not even warm still. That's impressive. I mean, for a fanless computer, that's pretty good. Joe. Painting Dory. Guess we went from Midwest shenanigans to painting. Joe Mama. Yeah, I'm right there with you. I have more side channels than, or yeah, channels than I'd to like to admit, but FFM Peg. The fact that it's hanging is either a good thing or a really okay, that's a good thing. Clear. Cool. So now that we have FFM Peg, let's just try it again. Exact F. Do I have it? Okay, so FFmpeg is not in path. Interesting. We need to figure that out. How to add FF to path on macOS. I think it's already in bin. Okay, so cd bin or user local bin. Do we have it in here? I don't see it in here. I don't see it in here. Is it in share? No. Find where package is installed. This is what I need. Brew. Fix. FFmpeg. Opt homebrew opt FFmpeg. How do I add something from homebrew to $path? Just shows how often I do this to add a home blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay, so I think we just need this. I don't want to share this part because I think it has some stuff in my ZSHRC that I don't want to share. So one second, blah blah blah, that :path. So do I need it in quotes? I do need it in quotes. Or export path equals that. Colon $sign path. Alright, let's hope I didn't fuck everything up. $sign path. Alright, I see it in the path. Okay. Let's try having the bot join and leave again, because I think I have it on path now. What? Executable not found a path. Let's try just rerunning it. Oh, this is actually going to try playing it. So, interesting. Let's... I think it'll at least try to do it. Oh, I also wanted to add the map for connections. It's declared but not used. Cool. So here, have command TTS return that voice connection. So then dot how do maps work in Golang? Do maps work in Golang? Give and EXAM. Fucking spelling is hard. If there's not a right squiggly, it's basically just give up at that point. Map key equals value. Interesting. Oh, so there's not a push or a pop on it. It's just okay. So our connection map m.channel ID equals air. What is it complaining about? Nil dereference. Huh? Huh? Okay, what do I... Okay. Connection map equals nil. Why don't we just initialize it up here? Equals blah. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it not existing at all, ever. And then here, don't need to worry about this because we could just do star Discord go.voice connection. And here it's complaining. What is it? What did I call it? Connection. Okay. Okay. Let's see what Perplexity has to say for it, because I mean, it seems that ChatGPT really wants me to try this DCA thing, but I'm not sure if that's right. I feel like there has to be an easier way or better way. I don't know. Let's to do voice in Discord via Discord Go. Okay, we have the Gopus. Wants us to Gopus? Huh? I'm just gonna ask it again. Sending audio. Interesting. Okay, so that's correct. DG voice, there's another package now? What the fuck? What is this? This is probably the main example. Yeah, this is probably the main example. Nope, nope. Change channel, disconnect, close, add, open, Opus sender. Oh, what the fuck? What? Let's try what we updated with this. So slash join. File executable not found in path. Not found in path, my dick. What? Bitch. B voice. Oh. Instead of doing that, do the speaking true, then what does POK receive? Okay. No, I think so then we do. I still don't know what receive. Oh, it's this. DG voice. What's the... Okay, I think it's made by the same guy. Provides the example of adding an Opus library. You must use the current development branch of Discord. You must have FFmpeg in your path and Opus libs already installed. What the fuck? How to add FFmpeg from brew to $path. Okay, I did that. Oh, is it because is all this just because I didn't start? No, I restarted it. Connection. Let's... What? Oh. Oh. Okay, because we're managing the connection there. So, blah, blah, blah. Cool. Cool. This'll work, right? Right. remove that the thing I added from the path, so because I feel like if it's already on the path, I don't need it doubly on the path. I don't need it doubly on the path. So there. Write that out. Bam. 1 second, just checking messages real quick. Bum, bum, bum. Ba, 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 ba. 1 second, just checking things. Don't want peeking. Okay. There we go. Then I believe the bot is up now. Yes. So /join. FFF. It is peak D's. D's nuts. This is frustrating. FFmpeg is in the path. Oh. There we go. It's because the terminal session didn't have that new. Okay. That explains it. So go run command bot person main. Okay. So I think it should be good now, or at least better. At least better. Because if we could get it in and saying shit, then I mean that's a really good start there. And then it's just being able to manage the connections, and yeah, I think with managing the connections it should be good. So cool. It's just because I was being a big dummy. But I mean, what else is new? I mean, there's a wheel for that. These dev streams turn into me spinning the wheel and doing whatever it says instead of actually developing. All right. Bot is now running. Join voice channel. Yep. Okay, interesting. Maybe we need that connection speaking thing there. Maybe? I don't know. Is it like, hey, I'm telling Discord, hey, I'm gonna be talking soon, so prepare for bits? I don't know. Discord go. Voice channel example. Expand. Nope. Okay, we're caught up with this. how to play audio in that channel. This assumes you already have a blah blah blah. Uses of / air horn. That's surprisingly unhelpful. DG voice. What is DG voice in this? Okay. Oh, DG. If it's really that fucking simple, what have I been doing all this time? Go get. Blah. Okay, so is it as simple as DG voice? If it's really this simple, I'm gonna... path the audio file. Okay. Let's just ask our friend here, Copilot, how would I save this to a file? How would I save the response from the HTTP call to a file? Okay, blah blah blah. Responsive v3. Okay, then just can't be that simple. It can't be that simple. Huh? Oh, I need, what is it? The go. I need FFmpeg in your path and the Opus libs already installed. Opus homebrew? Opus tools. I think it's that simple. I don't know, it seems like a very... It seems very, like a very... Okay, this seems a lot more popular. Brew install Opus. Okay, so we have that there. Let's create a new terminal session with that updated thing. What execute exec p pk config? What is... FFmpeg, okay. Send. Okay. This is basically handling it. Where does the PKG config come from? So I think I just need to get this. What the fuck? Let me... Is a Go binding for the Opus codec. Okay. Let me just send the copy the error. What? Thank you. It happens by not having it installed. Cool. How do I reinstall PKG config? Oh, okay. Let me just make sure I get the right thing. PKG config. And let me make sure that it's like a thing. Okay, it is a thing. Then we need to create another terminal session. I was really thinking there for a second. Really thinking. Really thinking. Okay, so it's going to be handling the commands there, and then, I mean, hopefully, I mean, this looks like it just kind of handles sending the thing for it. Like, you just give it the file, and it just handles, like, the speaking and all of that. Because, I mean, that sounds... So it sounds like all we have to do is worry about managing the file. And then once we manage the file... it'll just do its thing. Let's see what we get as if we get an error. I mean, it's entirely possible. So let's see what happens there, and then I guess we can go from there. Joined, and it's airing out. Yay! Oh, do we not have the file? Response.mp3.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
I mean, sounds good to me. It's because it can't invalid memory address or nil pointer dereference. In Discord, go voice connection log. Is it because of the file? I mean, we have the file here. So I mean, we have it. Say, okay. I guess this is where we can, I guess, take stock of where we are now, where we are currently, and plan going forward. So we have it going out, we have it. Okay. okay. We'll start, I guess, from the basics. So we have it joining and leaving a channel. Good. We have it making the call to OpenAI and saving the file. I guess the only problem we're having at the moment is it actually setting the file to Discord, which, yeah. Which I'm not sure about. Let's see if we could just find a quick example. Generate of sending a voice, a audio file with DG Voice. Let's see. Path to the audio file, DG Voice sent. Yeah, fucking thanks. DG Voice, go package, sample. Oh, or see example folder. Play, main.go. Okay. Voice channel. Make Chan Bool. That's how it sends it. No, yeah. Make Chan Bool. So let's just borrow that. Instead of the little arrow thingy. Is it just as simple as go uninstall? You'd think I would. So go mod. We don't need DCG. We don't need that anymore. So go mod. Go mod tidy. Okay. And then I don't think we need that as well. Go mod tidy. Nice. Okay. There's that. Let's fire it up, give it a try, and if it doesn't work, we can circle back to it tomorrow. So, run. Yeah, because with the schedule, we're doing Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and yeah, we could see where we end up tomorrow or today. I mean, if it just decides to work, then that's great. But if it decides to not work, then we have something to do tomorrow. But tomorrow brings the wheel, which will make things a lot more interesting. A lot more interesting. I feel like we'll be spinning the wheel a lot then. But I think that's part of the fun of it. Okay, so it's running. Sorry, I was just checking stuff on my other monitor. And then we'll give it a try, and then there's the fat stack. Okay. Does it say where exactly? No, it doesn't. But I think that'll give us plenty of wheel time tomorrow. So, yeah. I mean, we've been going for about an hour and a half now, which is about the average time. So, yeah. We got some of the connection stuff worked out. We have the connection to open or Eleven Labs working. So, we're getting there. It's just getting this file played, which is probably easier said than done at this point, but we're getting closer. We're getting much closer. So, yeah. So thank you, Battle Dory, for the wheel spin and the squats. You know, looking out for my health. But yeah. Thank you all for watching and chatting and whatnot, or just hanging out. Appreciate it. And yeah, I think that's probably it for today. So I will see some of y'all, or catch some of y'all later, and yeah, we'll do this again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Catch y'all later.